Final boss, baby. Woo! Shoot the tires. Ah, this is the sheriff. I shoot the sheriff. Do you know what I don't get? When you're paying quite a lot of money, like $45 freaking for a light gun, in this case the Justifier, and the seller didn't even put the effort to clean it up. You can just get yourself like these wet, let's say very nice cleaning cloth, and you can just clean it up. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. In today's video we are going to do a quick overview of a very cool subject I wanted to make for a very long time. It's some Sega time with the Sega Megadrive, also known as the Genesis. I have been collecting all kinds of cool stuff because I wanted to do an overview and a little bit of a gameplay of the Justifier, the Konami gun for the Sega Megadrive or Genesis, and that's kind of cool. I've picked this one up on a convention already, did a little bit of a cleaning, has been released and made by Konami, made in China, 1993, and this was absolutely one of those very cool ways to play light gun games. However, when it comes to this particular, let's say, light gun, I don't have very good memories about this. I have the simple reason, when I got it, it didn't work and never got it to work at all. And I don't still know all the way up to today why this is. Is it just a general problem or that I had like bad luck? Because it was one of those new steps into my retro gaming or my gaming life where we experience light guns but not in a positive way. And it took me like many years all the way to the time crash for PlayStation to fall in love with this. But first, let's take a close look at some games. I already cleaned the cartridge and let's have some fun. So one of the things that we're going to be doing is playing some games, of course the Lethal Enforcer, the first game that was released, and also having the second one on the Mega CD. Yeah, we're going to be using the Tower of Power version number 2 of the Sega and having all of the very cool features. I never played it before and with the light gun because I had this game in my collection for some time, but never started it up because I wanted to have the light gun. And then of course we're having Judgment Day, baby. Oh yeah. Picked it up. It was quite okay price, 25. I think got a little bit of a discount because I purchased something else from the seller. But we're going to do a couple of, let's say, overview of an old school game, just an old school games. And are these things fun to play, to collect now? So first part, we're going to be using my old school Philips, my big, or better said, my old friend. This thing is such a handy television. I can recommend everybody in television like this in different bands. They are compact, they are nice, they're small, so you can give them a special place in your collection and still enjoy yourself light guns and old school retro games on a CRT. Oh, such a nostalgia sound. But first, let's do a normal game. We're going to be playing Opal, so we're going to be sounding a little bit differently. So when it comes to this, and yeah, you need to set it up. Okay, wait, let's put these games here. So I'm going to be using a controller and a light gun because we're going to be booting up into Lethal Enforcer. We're going to be getting into the menu. Here we can just see that player 1 and player 2 have been activated, so we can just play together with a friend or play by myself. But of course I'm not going to be doing that. We can use the joypad. Oh man, playing light guns on the joypad, I already hate that. So we're going to be doing just the fun with the play one. It's going to be the light gun. So let's boot up the game. Oh yeah. Crank up the volume. The bank robbery. Oh, I can still remember that stage. Ooh. Man. Woo! So this particular version is a lot of fun. Oh crap! I still remember some of the guys. I also played this game with the PlayStation version and that was so much better. But the Sega version, the 60-bit version, is not bad at all. But the light guns even working, man. I wish I had this back in the day. Or I had it, but it didn't work for me. How cool would it be? I know if I had like this same experience as a child or as a teenager back in the day or whatever, I would have like so much more fun with this. And some of the parts are quite challenging. There we go. Somebody's coming. Ah, the next part. Yep. Push random. In the original version, I think they said all the time, die, copper. Oh, we got more bullets. Now, if I'm not going to be get hit, I think I have infinite bullets of this. Oh, this is so much better. Alright, they're still saying something. Come on, bring it on. Ha bum, 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 bum. Woo. Come on, there we go. Hop. They're still using the same animations all the time. Oh, yep, getting the hang of it. Ha ha ha! Oh no, you eat lead. Woo. Headshot, baby. Oh, I lost my power up. No. Oh, I guess I remember this part where the guys are coming out of the cars all the time. Look at this. This is so funny. It was quite difficult. The moving car. The soundtrack are quite good for 16-bit. There are like infinite guys in this car. Oh, that was so funny. Yeah, magnum bullets. Now I'm a true Dirty Harry. You feel lucky, punk? No, there we go, my power up. Ah! Ah! I hate it. It's like with those shmup games where you die when you're going to get hit the first time. Come on. Wow, it takes forever. Somebody is going into the screen. Come on, man. Oh yeah, I remember that I can shoot the tires. That was so funny. Final boss, baby. Woo! Shoot the tires. Here we go. Oh crap. This guy is like frickin' Terminator. Woo! There we go. No, continues. Oh, do I have it? I do have a continue. Come on. Why won't this freaking guy go down? Oh! Oh, Little Lift Force is such a weird game. Whoa, there we go. Finally he's down. Jesus. Oh yeah. But next up, let's try a different game. We're going to be getting the Lethal Enforcers number 2. I do wonder if they even released it on cartridge. No, not going to be doing any gameplay of that, because we're going to be using the Sega CD. Let's power it on without a game. Let's put the game in here. Haha, man, I love that nostalgia music. And let's go with the Lethal Enforcer 2. I did play it on the PlayStation version, if I say it correctly, but yeah, you know, the cowboy thingy, nah, I don't know. Yeah. So I'm really curious how this version is going to be. So visual-wise, I think it's not going to be a massive improvement. It's just going to be slightly better to play. And we're having now some really nice music. So we're at the same situation. So let's choose the one-player blue gun. Okay. It just says blue gun. It's kind of weird.
The bank robbery.
The bank robbery. Oh yeah. The music is nice. I do have the idea that the sound effects are way better. Yeah, the sound effects are way better. Do they all say the freaking same thing or what? Music is absolutely amazing. Okay, next part. Ah! Ooh, it's good I missed. Yeah, the downside is that we do have the same kind of text all over again. But you need to be fast. Ah, crap. Hey, that's kind of cool. So pressing start, we can even check out if the saying is accurate or not. Okay. Oh! You have some problems with the start itself. Because I need to press it really hard, but beside that, I must say it's a lot of fun to actually play this. Whereas it's not my favorite Ligh Forza, I personally love the first one. But when you're looking at the PlayStation version, that has so many cool, let's say, soundtracks. Yeah, and the loading times, oh man, on a Mega CD. It's like super bad, but... Crap! Haha, double gun. Oh, nice. Oh, that was a nasty one. Oh, you can't reload. Oh, that's a little bit of a downside. So with the Ligh Forza, I can still remember like having the option to have infinite, like the upgrade until the point you're messing it up. But this is just pure memorizing. And you know for sure like which character needs to be shot. See? And seriously, this is the first time I'm actually going to be playing this. Okay, that was quick. That's it. Loading times, okay. Loading, Sega loading. Oh, now they're walking. Ah, this is the sheriff. I shoot the sheriff. Okay, so one of the games I really wanted to check out is the Terminator game, because the arcade Terminator game, I just love that. It's so much fun. However, how will it actually work when it comes to the Megadrive? I've been trying this on the MOS system and the overall result was not that great. The question remains, do we have the option for a lie down feature, or is this only compatible with the controller? Ooh, let's see. Okay, we do have the Menace support, so I don't know if there's going to be possible to play. So here says player 1. But no. Oh, that is a little bit of a downside. So it does recognize when we're having a certain line gun connected. So I'm guessing this is going to be a completely limited situation. So let's switch it over. See, it says now player 2 joypad. But no, oh man, that is such a downside that we cannot really actually play anything. So in the end, if you want to play the Terminator games, I need to get myself a different light gun situation. Yeah, so also this can only be played with a controller for now. Okay, so this was absolutely a blast to the past, and this time in a good way, because back in the day I had this and it didn't work, and that was such, like, say, a big bummer, because I always wanted to check it out and had so much fun playing Lethal Enforcer, and yeah, with the controller, but I never could get to work. I still don't know why that was. Did I had a faulty light gun situation back in the day? Who knows? Paying like $45 freaking for a device, is this actually the money worth? It depends all on how much you love light guns and what you just think about the Lethal Enforcer game, because when it comes to the Terminator, we couldn't play it. Maybe you'll get some different, let's say, light gun situation, upgrading and having more fun. However, thank you all for watching, for joining me here to the blast to the past with some Sega.